Surface Chemistry. Weightage 6 marks 1 mark 10 5 marks 1 Q. 1 mark questions. Question 1. Out of physics and chemistry options, which one has I? Lower enthalpy of adsorption E, higher enthalpy of adsorption? Answer. I. Physics option E, chemistry option. 2. Enthalpy of physics option is quite low. Give reason. Answer. Due to weak van der Waals forces between adsorbate and adsorbent. Question 3. What happens to entropy of a gas after adsorption? Answer. Decreases. Question 4. What is the value of Ag during adsorption? Answer. Ag is negative or plus V or decreases. 5. What is adsorption isotherm? Answer. The curve obtained by plotting rate of adsorption, by per meter, against pressure at constant temperature is called adsorption isotherm. 6. Enthalpy of adsorption is high in chemisorption. Why? Answer. Because chemisorption involves chemical bond formation. Question 7. Which is the adsorbent used in the separation of noble gases? Answer. Coconut charcoal. Question 8. Write Freundlich adsorption isotherm. Where X mass of gas absorbed. Answer. Kp mass of adsorbent, P pressure of adsorbate, K and N are empirical constants. Question 9. Name the adsorbent used to remove coloring matter from solutions. Answer. Activated charcoal. Question 10. Solid is a good adsorbent when it is in finely divided state. Give reason. Answer. Because its surface area increases. Question 11. Name the adsorbent used in gas masks to absorb poisonous gases. Answer. Activated charcoal. Question 12. Name the adsorbent used to control humidity. Answer. Silica gel. Question 13. Name the dispersed phase present in gel. Answer. Liquid. Question 14. What is sol? Answer. Sol is a colloidal system in which the dispersed phase is solid and dispersion medium is liquid. Question 15. What is Kraft temperature? Answer. The temperature above which micellar formation takes place is called Kraft temperature, Tk. Question 16. What is dialysis? Answer. The process of removing particles of crystalloids from a colloidal solution by using semipermeable membrane is called dialysis. Question 17. What is ultrafiltration? Answer. The process of separating colloidal particles from solvent and soluble solutes using ultrafilter paper is called ultrafiltration. Question 18. State Hardy-Schulze rule. Answer. The greater the valency of the coagulating ion added greater in its power to cause precipitation. Question 19. What is coagulation value? Answer. The minimum concentration of an electrolyte in millimoles per liter required to cause precipitation of a sol in 2 hours is called coagulation value. Question 20. In the coagulation of negative sol, arrange the following icons in ascending order of flocculating power: bar 2 plus, na, al 3 plus, bar squared plus less than al 3 plus. Answer. Na plus. Question 21. What is zeta potential? Answer. The potential difference between the fixed layer and the diffused layer of opposite charges on the surface of the colloidal particles is called zeta potential. Question 22. What is Tyndall effect? Answer. Scattering of light by colloidal particles in colloidal solution is called Tyndall effect. Question 23. Between AlCl3 and KCl, which one is required in minimum concentration to coagulate the negatively charged Er2S3 sol? Answer. AlCl3. 2 marks questions. Question 24. What is the change in enthalpy and entropy during adsorption of a gas on a solid? Answer. Enthalpy decreases or I equals V, entropy decreases or As V. Question 25. What is physiadsorption? Give an example. Answer. Adsorption takes place by weak van der Waals forces of attraction is called physiadsorption. Example. Adsorption of NH3 gas on charcoal. Question 26. What is chemisorption? Give an example. Answer. Adsorption between the adsorbate and adsorbent. 26. What is chemisorption? Give an example. Answer. Adsorption between the adsorbate and adsorbent takes place by strong chemical bond is called chemisorption. Example. Adsorption of H2 on platinum at high temp. Question 27. Give any 2 characteristics of chemisorptions. Answer. I. High specificity. E. High enthalpy of adsorption. Question 28. Give any 2 differences between physisorption and chemisorption. Answer. Question 29. Mention any two applications of adsorption. Answer. I. Activated charcoal is used to adsorb poisonous gases in gas masks. E. Control of humidity using silica gel. E. Removal of coloring matter from solution by using activated charcoal. Question 30. What are lyophilic colloids? Give an example. Answer. The colloids in which the particles of dispersed phase have more affinity towards dispersion medium are called lyophilic colloids. X. Milk, gum. Question 31. What are lyophobic colloids? Give an example. Answer. The colloids in which the particles of dispersed phase have less affinity towards dispersion medium are called lyophobic colloids. X. Gold sol, silver sol. Question 32. Mention any two differences between lyophilic and lyophobic colloids. Question 33. What is peptization? Give one example. Answer. The process of converting a freshly prepared precipitate into colloidal solution by adding a suitable electrolyte having common ion. Example. Fe(O)3 precipitate is treated with Fe(3) gives Fe(O)3 sol. Question 34. What is Brownian movement? What is the cause for it? Answer. The zigzag movement of colloidal particles in the dispersion medium is called as Brownian movement. It is due to bombardment of dispersed particles by the molecules of dispersion medium. Question 35. Write a note on dialysis. Answer. The process of removing particles of true solution from colloidal solution using a semipermeable membrane is called dialysis. A bag of suitable semipermeable membrane containing colloidal solution is suspended in a vessel containing stream of distilled water. Particles of true solution diffuse through membrane into outer water and pure colloidal solution is left behind. Question 36. Explain electrodialysis. Answer. Under the influence of electric field, particles of true solution move towards oppositely charged electrodes through the semipermeable membrane so that process of dialysis become faster. Question 37. Explain the Breideg's electric arc method for the preparation of colloids, gold sol. Answer. Metal salts such as gold, silver, platinum are prepared by this method. Water containing a small amount of alkali is placed in a container kept cooled in an ice bath. An electric arc is struck between two electrodes made of gold. A small amount of the metal vaporizes due to the high temperature of the arc. The vapors of the metal condense into colloidal particles. Alkali stabilizes the metal sol.